So good day to you, wherever you're watching this video from. My name is Alex Chumesi. I'm a Ghanaian. I work in Ghana. I previously worked in government for several years. Moved on to work as a consultant with one of the government agencies. Currently run a consulting firm based in Accra, Ghana, called Fairmont Advisory. I'm the managing partner of that firm. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you something that I recently discovered. Now, I'm someone who really loves passive income and loves to be able to make money whilst I sleep and make money on the side. I believe that it is very, very important, and everybody should make an attempt to making an extra income on the side. And what I'm going to share with you in this video are my thoughts. It's something that I have discovered, I have researched on it, and I'm super excited to share with you. Now, let me share with you a few slides and explain something to you for you to understand. Now, when it comes to money, money as we know it has gone through several evolution, okay, or several stages of evolution. We all know the barter system. From the barter system where we used to exchange goods for goods, we moved on to commodity, where people were basically trading the commodities. Moved on to metal money, which is the like of gold, where as a store of value. Now we moved on from that to paper money as we know it. And then quite recently, we have also seen the evolution of money as in the form of plastic, where people can keep money on plastic or ATM cards or credit cards or debit cards and be able to transact business and move around. But very, very recently, and what is taking the world by storm is cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency. Now, cryptocurrency is the next stage where money is evolving to. So if you are on this, watching this video, then you should understand that the next biggest thing that is going to happen, or it is happening already, is cryptocurrency. Now, why crypto? Now, cryptocurrency allows you, it's an opportunity for you to diversify your current investment portfolio. Of course, the market for crypto is very volatile, very risky, but then just like any portfolio, it's important to blend it with other products or other commodities to be able to enhance the rewards or the returns that you make on any portfolio. So crypto gives you an opportunity to diversify your investment. Now, doing a little bit of research, I was amazed by the number of companies who are really adopting crypto as a mode of payment. The likes of Coca-Cola, Wikipedia, PayPal, Microsoft, AT&T, Subway, Burger King, KFC, Namecheap, Etsy, Norwegian Air, Starbucks, Amazon, and so many other companies are all accepting crypto or Bitcoin or any form of other coins as modes of payment for their services. Now, this tells you that crypto is increasingly growing and is being accepted as a mode of payment. NBA teams in the US are paying their players in the form of Bitcoins. And I just heard, if I listened in the news, that South Africa has installed their first blockchain ATM machine. This is mind-blowing. ATM banks have already been announced, and central banks and governments are developing policies for crypto. Now, if you are like me, I really do not know so much about the crypto space. I'm not an investment advisor. I'm not an expert in that space, but all that I can see is opportunity. I can see something that is evolving, and it's something that you can take advantage of and lock your spot right now, because crypto has come to stay and crypto is not going away. So the more I read about this subject matter and research on it, I realize that this is clearly an opportunity for you to lock your spot and take advantage of this evolving market space and be able to make some cool passive income doing this. Now, if you again are like me, you don't have so much experience with trading in Bitcoins or cryptocurrency. It is so confusing and I don't know much about it. But all that I know is that you can actually buy some Bitcoins okay, or some cryptocurrency and profit from that. Now, you can buy and hold, and then when the value increases, you sell. Okay, this could be an approach, but I found an interesting way where you can buy Bitcoin, and instead of just holding the Bitcoin, you can actually trade, okay, the Bitcoins on an exchange platform and be able to earn profits simply by trading your cryptocurrency or by trading your Bitcoin. I find it very interesting and very profitable because not only do I get to hold it, but I can hold and also grow my Bitcoin as well, or grow and profit through an exchange platform. You probably do not have the experience, you probably don't have the knowledge. Just like myself, they've never done it before, don't have the experience, but I realized that through interesting programs or projects, I'm able to do so. Now, it is not new. And as I began to also research, I came across a number of companies who are already offering programs to enable us or you on this watching this to be able to trade and be able to make some income. So first is MaticBot. We have BitBrokerTrade, we have Bitfolio, we have Empire SX, Coin Evolution, Coin ProMine, and so many other companies out there who are all giving you opportunity not to just hold your crypto, but be able to trade with it and be able to make income from that. Now, in this video, I want to focus on MaticBot. MaticBot is one of the companies, new, but really, really amazing and doing great things. Now, I am not an agent of MaticBot. I don't work for MaticBot. This is an honest review, an independent review. Feel free to do your own research and get the facts for yourself and understand before you invest in MaticBot. Now, I'm not the CEO, I don't own the company, but I have invested on this platform and it's really, really amazing. And I want to share with you. So MaticBot, just like all the other ones that I shared with you, and allows you the opportunity to trade your Bitcoins and earn income doing so. What makes MaticBot unique? MaticBot is unique because, first of all, MaticBot does not sell investment packages with fixed guaranteed returns at the end of the investment period. So we've seen packages where people sell packages where you invest a certain amount and they promise you a particular return at the end of the period. MaticBot is not like that, okay? Trades on an exchange and allows you to earn a profit from arbitrage. Now, MaticBot is an exchange platform, just like Binance, just like Poloniex, Bittrex, Bitfinex, and so many other exchange platforms out there. So you have control over your money. All the platform does for you is to trade for you. Now, the interesting thing about MaticBot is that you can actually trace your transactions on the blockchain. So every trade that happens, you can actually follow the trade and you can see it on blockchain just to verify that this is real. Now, you can withdraw your capital and profits anytime at all. There are no abusive fees. There are no monthly charges. You have the option to also trade manually. Okay, if you have the experience, you to trade manually, you can do so on MaticBot. But if you are like me, no experience or little experience, you can leverage the platform. We have AI bots that trade automatically for you 24/7, meaning that whether you sleep, whether you are awake, whether you are at work, you get to be able to trade. The system trades for you and the system will pay you your arbitrage profit. So arbitrage simply means that we buy low and we sell high. The system is computerized and so intelligent to be able to look around the various exchanges and pick deals and pick transactions that a system can profit from. And then that's part, MaticBot takes part of the profit and also gives you, the investor, part of the profit as well. What I also love about MaticBot is that you can start with as low as 100 to 200 US dollars and more, okay, depending on what you can afford and your risk appetite. No monthly fees, and you can start right now. This is why I'm excited about MaticBot. Now, I'm going to take you to my back office and show you how the real deal works. So stay tuned as I share this, my back office with you right now. In a few minutes, I will show you. So if you can see my screen, this is how my MaticBot back end or office, back office looks like. So you can see my name up here in the top right corner there. Yesterday, before I slept off, I had 0.38 something Bitcoins. This morning, I woke up and it's gone up, and you can see there's 0.03911 Bitcoins. Okay, I started with something low, and it's just been amazing. Daily, I earn passive income because the system treats my Bitcoins on this exchange platform and simply looks at deals, arbitrage profit. We can make arbitrage profit, buy and sell, and pays me the returns in Bitcoins. Okay, so let me show you how it happens. Now, you go to my trades and you can clearly see the trades that are happening in real time. So this is an ongoing trade that is happening where I'm making an arbitrage profit of 1.83% on the total value. This is the total number of Bitcoin that I have invested or being traded. And then you can see the history of other transactions that have happened in the past or in the few hours. So every single day, the platform trades three times in a day for you. Okay, every 8.5 hours or 8 hours, it trades, it trades on your behalf, and you can see this in real time. You want to see more details, you can click details here, and it will take you to the next page where you get to see exactly the transaction flow. And you can also click on it and go to the blockchain to also see the transaction for yourself. The beautiful thing about MaticBot again is that it trades every value that you have, where your profit adds up to your capital, and then the system, the next trade, it picks both your principal plus your interest or your profit accrued, and then it picks the whole volume and it goes for another trade, meaning that it is compounded. So the Bitcoin profits you earn today will be added to your principal capital that you have, and then it will the whole volume, 100% of it will go for the next trading. So this is how it looks like. You've seen it. You can actually verify this by clicking on blockchain, and you can see really the details of the transaction that has happened. You can't find this on any platform because here we want you to see every single thing. And for me, this was the moment when the light bulb lit up, and I knew I had found the deal. Okay, so this is what you get to see your trades. You can see all of that. You can go to financial statement. You can see all the details here. If I go to my bot here, my bot is trading for me. And so you get to see every detail here, the profits you've made so far, and all of that there. If you want to trade manually, the system equally allows you to trade manually, and you can withdraw anytime, any day. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you found it useful. Now, I'm excited because you get the opportunity to invest on a platform like this with any amount you can start off with, and you will be able to make grow your exchange or grow your Bitcoins by doing so. Again, do your own research before you invest. I'm not an investment advisor. I don't work for MaticBot. I'm not an agent of MaticBot. I'm not being paid to do this. It's an independent review. I have invested, I like it, and I want to share this with you. Crypto is risky, so you could lose part or all of your money. Understand, my market is volatile. However, invest wisely. Invest wisely, and MaticBot at least guarantees you the growth of your Bitcoins. And whether the value of Bitcoin goes up or low, you are still growing your Bitcoins. And eventually, you'll be able to, once the market picks up, you'll be able to make more profits by doing so. So feel free to drop your comments. Let us know your thoughts. And then also my contact details and all is in the show notes there. If you love to get started in MartechBot, you can contact me directly. Drop my number there as well as email address and all. Feel free to reach out. I will guide you. I will help you to get started with ease and help you to also make some income. Okay, thank you and have a great day.